The actor and director Justin Baldoni plans to sue his co-star Blake Lively after she accused him of sexual harassment and launching a smear campaign against her, according to a statement made by Baldoni's attorney Bryan Freedman to NBC. Freedman says that Baldoni intends to fight the accusations and clear his name. According to Freedman, the details of the lawsuit are still being ironed out, but he is confident that the release of text messages between Baldoni and Lively will provide the necessary evidence to absolve Baldoni of any wrongdoing. The lawyer stated that these messages would add crucial context to the story and prove his client's innocence beyond doubt. Speaking on the matter, Freedman declared in an interview with NBC that he is more than happy to make available to the public every single text message between Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively, letting the truth speak for itself. I am more than willing to take every single text message that exists out there, lay them out, put them on a website for the world to see, have them see the truth and determine the truth for themselves, Freedman said in the interview, which aired on Friday. Baldoni and Lively both starred in the movie It Ends With Us, with Baldoni also taking on the role of director. On December 20th, however, Lively filed a complaint with the California Civil Rights Department, accusing her co-star of creating a hostile work environment and leading a smear campaign against her. The allegations in the complaint go beyond professional misconduct, with Lively accusing Baldoni of behavior such as entering her dressing room without permission while she was breastfeeding and commenting on her weight. These actions have been deemed by Lively as improper and offensive. In response to Lively's complaint, the New York Times published an article on December 22nd, just 2 days after the filing, in which they detailed the harassment and alleged smear campaign Lively claimed to have endured at the hands of Justin Baldoni and his team. Baldoni wasted no time in rejecting the claims made against him, filing a lawsuit on December 31st for $250 million against the New York Times for libel. Simultaneously, Lively filed a federal lawsuit against Justin Baldoni, his production company, and others alleging harassment and a coordinated retaliatory campaign designed to silence her and other potential victims from coming forward with their stories. The lawsuit claimed that the scheme was carefully crafted, coordinated, and resourced, making it clear that Lively believed this to be a systemic effort to protect Baldoni and the accused parties. Throughout the whirlwind of accusations and legal battles, Freedman stressed that Baldoni's main focus has always been to avoid furthering the damage rather than contributing to it. Justin Baldoni from the get-go said, "I don't want to do anything negative toward her. I don't want to hurt her," Freedman stated. Despite the increasingly contentious nature of the situation, it appears that Baldoni's primary concern has been to avoid exacerbating the conflict and instead to focus on proving his innocence. Freedman went on to address the gray area of behavior that can often exist in interpersonal relationships, stating, "I think there's always some behavior that can make people uncomfortable. I don't think anyone has the intention to do that. The question in this case is, does it rise to the level of sexual harassment?" This remark highlights the difficulty of navigating these situations, as there is often a fine line between unintentionally making someone uncomfortable and engaging in blatant harassment.